think what makes us unique is even though we're not all totally blood related, we treat each other like family, and we don't just list and sell homes for people. We kind of get into their life and become friends. Hi, I'm Janice Reynolds, and I am the photography and marketing director for the Reynolds team. My favorite part of the job, I love to be creative, and I love that my photography can tell the story of someone's home. So it's fun to go in each client's home to see what touches me and sit down and talk with them and find out what makes it special for them. Then I try to put it all together just to shine a new light on the home and tell its story and show people why it really is a special place to live. My favorite part about Vero is the small town feel. So everyone kind of knows each other, which is really fun. We have a client that's really special to us. She's opened up an antique store. So we went over and kind of volunteered our time and photoed it for her and put together a Facebook page. Even though she didn't really ask for our help, we just appreciate her so much. Anytime we can help someone out who's worked with us, we do it.